Hi, my name is Debbie Farinella and I'm here at Scrapbook.com and I'm here with Sizzix. I'm here today to show you a really fun project you can do for the upcoming holidays. It's a gingerbread house using our Bigz dies, and another one I'm going to show you, showing you a different way to do with the ornaments. So this is our Bigz die. This is our gingerbread house, and it comes with all the accessories and the people you need to create a cute little theme, whether it's a card, an actual home decor project, or a stuffed tool with our felt. So whether you're cutting with felt or paper or any of the materials that a Bigz die can cut, this particular die cuts the house, the roof trimmings, the little frosting decor that go on the gingerbread man and gingerbread gal, the little bow, the wreath for your front door, the door, and the little areas for the windows. So I'm going to show you how to put all those together in a few minutes. So I've gone ahead and I've ironed on the adhesive iron-on sheet to the back of some of our bold felt color sheets. Ready to cut, ready to iron on to one of your home decor pieces. So some of the pieces already having the iron-on adhesive, I'm going to go ahead and lay it down on top of the die. So you want to make sure that your blade is against the good side of the paper. Whether it's paper, fabric, it's always going to be against the correct side. That way, if it's a word or any kind of message, it's not going to be backwards. So I'm going to lay the felt down with the iron-on adhesive sheet up. I'm going to lay this one on top of the wreath. That's for the front door. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on top of the heart to give a little love to the gingerbread gal. Run it through the machine. Now remember, you always need a cutting pad on the bottom and one on the top. Make sure the cutting pad is covering all areas of the felt and the blades. And I'm going to run it through. Remember, the crunching noise you hear is just letting you know that it's all cutting well. It's just the blades hitting the cutting pad. So we have a perfectly cut heart. Perfectly cut little gal. Put her heart right there. And we've got our gingerbread man and the wreath for the door. So with a quick little pillow form and an easy to make pillowcase, I've gone ahead and I die cut the house and all the extra accessories that go with it, ironed it right onto the pillowcase. And if I wanted to add the little gingerbread gal and guy, I'm going to go ahead and iron her little heart onto her, decorate her with the little frosting pieces, and adhere her down with the hot iron onto the pillowcase, ready to decorate your home during the holidays. So with two pieces of the felt, I cut the same image out. This one I used the gingerbread girl. I would take all the accessories, iron them on to one or both sides, and stitch all the way around it. Except for one area, I would take our stuffing tool and a little fluff, and I would fill her all the way up and then stitch around. And with her little stuffing and then finishing off, how cute did she turn out? You can almost smell the gingerbread through the felt. So I'm going to show you a project using our Bigz dies. I'm sure you know that all of the different products that it can cut, but are you familiar with all the different materials that it can cut? So just as a quick little run through of some different items. This is just a regular craft felt. This is fun foam. This is a very thick fun foam. And believe it or not, this was also cut on a Bigz die because the Bigz dies have a steel rule blade. So the blades are of steel, where the Thinlit dies, they'll cut through some materials, but nothing like this. This is just some basic packaging. Felt. This is the pop-up sponge, some foam, foil, part of a box. This is the honeycomb paper. How cool is that? And all these different items, cork, vinyl. This is some more of our packaging, and then I embossed it. Magnet, all of these things. Even if a scissor can cut it, the Bigz die can cut a lot more than that. Some of the grunge board. The possibilities are endless. When you feel it going through the machine and you know it's smooth, it'll cut it. But if there's a little resistance and you want to give it that one more push, but it's not going to do it, then I don't recommend you cutting it. This is one of my favorites. This is the rawhide leather and embossed, and it kept the embossed, and it's very firm, and it cut beautifully. These are all cut with the same die, so you know they're all going to be the exact same shape, same size, and perfectly suitable for all of your projects. So a fun idea using some of our felt and our Bigz ornament die, I've created this little ornament. Really simple. What I did is I ran through some of our felt, run it through twice because you need to have the front and the back to create an ornament. So to create the top of the ornament, the blade here would just cut one side, but I thought it would be great if it had a little flap on it. So what I did is I folded the felt down and exposed the blade just a little bit. That way it would create one whole piece so the hook can go right through it when you're ready to hang it on your tree. So I'm going to fold it, put it through the machine. But when you fold it, you just want to make sure that blade is exposed. If it's not exposed and you're going to run it through the machine, it'll cut one it'll cut individual pieces, but this way it cut it right there and I was able to save the fold. So cutting 2 pieces, stitching it around the majority of it, leaving one little area, I would go ahead and fluff it up on the inside using our stuffing tool on the inside, finish stitching the edges, and then I would go ahead and either hot glue or sew the final piece on top. And with glitter or any kind of threading or any kind of accessories, you can embellish it, hang it on your tree, and have a holly jolly Christmas. And how cute is this cookbook? It could be a scrapbook, it could be the front of a card, but I think it would be great for all of your holiday recipes. It's using all the pieces that come with this gingerbread die, the gingerbread man and gal, the door, all the accessories, and then using the same little frosting pieces, we created the tabs, but cut them in another color. Same with the little heart and the bow, whether it's on her or on a little paper clip to mark your pages. So how fun is this for all of your upcoming holidays with all of your favorite recipes? And if you have a cookie exchange, this will be a great way to store and record all of the recipes that all the friends are going to be bringing on that day. And using the same gingerbread house die, we created a wreath for your front door, whether you're going to hang it on the inside, the outside, or one of the bedroom doors. This is such a cute way to create a wreath using our pom-pom maker, the same gingerbread house. But I don't know if you can tell, look what she used here for the tree. She built the little window panes in a graduated size and created a little glitter on there to make a great little snowy Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please share, like, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.